because the truth is you cannot get the values that you really want out of a multifamily property.
Well,
It's stable.
For the expense ratio?
It's not only the expense. Well, number one,
Higher turnover.
multifamily property is the toughest property to manage. I don't care what anybody says. It is the worst. Retail, oh man, you have a 7-8 year lease. They're responsible for all their own stuff.
They
You're-
pay the taxes.
You're dealing with people
maintenance.
who know how business works.
Right.
You've got to see apartment building and your tenants. Yeah, you're doing evictions. You're doing all kinds of fun stuff. You have a Subway restaurant or a T-Mobile. I mean, yeah, maybe you have to call them to pay you rent or something if they change their account or something weird. But that's where you can really add values because your leases are longer. You're signing a 3, a 5, 7 year deal. People rent for a year or two. Now there's people that stay there for like 10, 12 years, but it's just, they don't sign a lease like that. They'll sign a 1 year lease, maybe a 2, but kind of inch along. And that's where the warehouse also, problem with the warehouse, you have single tenant. Once one guy moves out, it's very difficult to get someone else back in there. Office, I actually did a podcast about office, why I don't like office space. It's the hardest property to turn around is an office building, hands down.
Why is that?
Oh my goodness.